going to talk about how you can make your Laravel project a desktop application. So the first step, what you will have to do first is you will go to, I'll put the link to my GitHub repo in the video description. So when you press on the link, it will take you to this page, this my GitHub profile. What you will have to do is either you clone it or you download it. So you will need to download this particular folder. So when you are done downloading it, you will get something like this. So you are going to get something like this. There you are going to get this. So when you are done downloading this, I would want you to zip it, like extract whatever it is in this folder. You extract it to where you want to put it. So me, I'll put it here and I'll press my extract. Alright, so when you zip it, when you extract it, you are going to get this folder, you are going to get this block of codes. Alright, so this is what we are going to use to make our Laravel project desktop application. Alright, so let's press let's see what they have here. So when you press this, you can see desktop home and you can see the PHP version. So this is the version, or the PHP version the package is initially with, right? Alright, so it depends on the PHP version you are having. Okay, so supposing your PHP version is, let me check something here. Um, so let me check my PHP version. PHP version. So my PHP version is 8.2. That means if I put this project inside and try to run it, I'm going to get an error. So what you're going to do is, to prevent any error, what you would have to do is you go to your PC and you go to your Xampp and copy this particular folder, your PHP, because this is where your PHP version is. You copy it. So when you copy it, you go back to where you have your desktop application something. So what you want to do is you want to rename their PHP to maybe PHP old. Then you replace yours there. You place yours there. Okay, so let's give it some time as it downloads. Alright, now so you can see that it has completed successfully. Alright, so let's try and let's press on it again and see. So now you can see that our PHP version has changed to 8.2.4. Alright, so this is what we have now. Okay, so what you would want to do is you would want to replace what you are seeing with your Laravel project. So let's close this. Already I have a Laravel project that I will want to use as a sample. Like, so this is my Laravel project. This is an SMS web application for sending messages to church based on their role, maybe as an admin, a pastor, or choir, or whatever. Alright, so this is what I want to make a desktop application of. Alright, so what you would want to do is you would want to go to your www. So this is what you are seeing when you open the desktop application. So you would want to copy all these things and delete them. You will delete them. So when you are done deleting them, what you will have to do is you would have to go to your your Laravel project, your main folder, right? So when you go to your main folder and you copy whatever that is in the main folder, you copy the whole thing, go back to where you want to make your desktop application, that is here. So you put whatever that you copied in there. So let's wait as it copies. Alright, so you can see that we are done downloading whatever you want to download. Alright, so what you would want to do next is you would want to go down here back and look for the settings.json. So when you go to the settings.json, you would have to change the title. So when you open the main window, what do you want to see? Like the title you want to see. Alright, so let's just make it a sample sample desktop, sample desktop. All right, and this is the icon that you want to see. Let me just get a random icon here and put it there. Let me just get a random icon. All right, so let me just get a random icon here. All right, so this is the icon. So what you have to do next is you have to scroll here. Now the desktop listings to a server, right? And you know our Laravel project run on which port? 8000, right? 8000. And here is a directory where you want to point it at. So the directory is where is in the public, and we have the index.php. And here you would want to change it to localhost 8000. All right, so when you are done with this, you save it and you can close it. So when you close it, you realize that now when we open our desktop application, we see it. We don't have to see it. Okay, we see it because I've started the server. Server is has started already, but then we are looking at a situation whereby we can uh, we can run it just like a normal desktop application without running the PHP artisan serve, right? So you don't have to run PHP artisan serve before you can start your your desktop application. So what you would need to do is you would need to create a file. You create a file in your random test, like any test editor, right? So you create a file, you create a file. So in the file, what you need to do is you need to write this block of codes. So I'm going to put this one to in the video description. So in here, what you would have to do is you have to specify the path to your projects folder, right? So in my situation, the path to my project folder is this. I copy this one and replace whatever is in here with your path, right? Okay, so when you are done with that, what you need to do is you will need to rename the extension. You will change the extension to what? Bat. So when you change it to bat, now you would want to tell the machine or your system unit or your laptop that whenever you start the laptop or whenever you start up your computer, this particular command should run. So you will need to press Windows plus R. And when you press Windows plus R, you will want to type the shell. You will want to type this. Let me put it here so that you see it well. You would want to type so you want to type this shell and startup. So when you type this into the run command, what you will have to do is to press OK. So when you press OK, it's going to open the folders, the startup folder. So you would want to get or copy the file that we just created and paste it here, so that when the machine starts, the server or the PHP artisan start will automatically run. Yeah, so that is how it is. All right, so that's how we handle that task. So after you are able to do all these things successfully, now you realize that your desktop your PHP project is running on your desktop application real fine and nothing is wrong, and you can see it's working very nice. All right, so thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem or if you don't understand anything, you can put it out in the comments, and I'll be very happy to give you a helping hand. All right, thank you very much. Please subscribe, like, and share to your friends so that they can also gain this nice knowledge. All right, thank you.